Hi, it's Mr. Steinert again. When you finished whiteboarding the detailed diagrams for the sticky tape activity, we're going to have you start in on the conductivity activity. I like the way that sounds. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be using the conductivity sensors with the lab quests to make a numerical measurement of how easily the electricity flows through certain liquids. So some of them are, I think the list is distilled water, um, isopropyl alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, tap water, and then a couple of solutions, a saltwater solution and a potassium chloride solution. Um, Between each of these, be sure you rinse off the sensor so that you don't contaminate from one to the next. Okay, and you can just write down the numerical reading. Don't worry too much about the units. The number is simply, the bigger it is, the more easily charged particles, if there are any, in the solution move around. Usually it means there's more charged particles. And so that tells you that it's a very conductive solution. So remember, in the sticky tape activity, the metals had free electrons that could move through the strip of the metal. Now we're looking at free charges that are free to move around in the liquid. So when you dissolve certain things, you're going to find that some of them have charged particles and some of them don't. So that's basically what you're going to be looking at. And then you have a number of solid things, and you're going to use the LED sensors for this. So I think they're like solid sugar, well, granulated sugar, salt, the potassium chloride, and then three metals, copper, aluminum, and iron. And I asked you to do iron on the top, kind of the rusty flat surface on top. Excuse me. And then on the edge, and try to find like a shinier part on the edge to check that last one. And then you'll have three questions to answer. They're at the, pardon me, three questions to answer there at the end. I'd like you to whiteboard those answers on a whiteboard and be prepared to share those with the class. All right, so have some fun with this. We're moving toward, we saw charged particles moving around within the strip. Now we're looking at charged particles moving around within a solution or maybe within a solid, because we did have some solids before. So have fun with this. Get your answers down. Thanks.